So you probably want to change this thing saying uncategorized because it doesn't look very nice. So I'll quickly show you how to do that. So you're just going to go to your dashboard again. And then what you want to do is go to categories, post categories, and you can go through and just simply make your own categories. So you can make it whatever you want. You could have it as motivation maybe, and then you just hit add new category, and just like that you'll have it added. And then you can edit this one. So maybe you just wanted to change it to instead self development, and then just hit update. Now if we have a quick look back at our website, you'll now see that it's got in its own little section of self development. So that's our blog section done. We've just got one final section to go. And it's probably the second most important part of our website, which is our contact form.